Sam's plant.
Okay, so can you say the title of our lesson is all about Sam's plant? Can you say this way?
The title of our
Lesson is all
lesson
about
is about
Sam's
Sam's plant.
plant. Okay, one moment. Okay, so again, can you say this one?
The title of our lesson is all about Sam's plant.
Okay, do you understand?
Yes.
Okay, so how about you, Sarah? Have you ever experienced planting a plant or seed?
No.
Oh, so would you like to try?
Yeah.
Okay, so yes, that is fun.